In response to growing concerns over road safety, the government of St. Lucia has launched a new road safety awareness campaign in collaboration with Fred's Engineering. The campaign focuses on a socially inclusive and gender-responsive approach to promoting safe driving habits, reducing road fatalities, and empowering all road users to make safer choices. Led by the Ministry of Infrastructure, the initiative coincides with ongoing upgrades to the Millennium Highway and West Coast Road. At a recent press conference, Tara Leonard Emmanuel, Community Liaison Officer for the Millennium Highway West Coast Road Reconstruction Project, shared details about the consultancy.
The government of St. Lucia has contracted Fred Engineering to support socially inclusive and gender-responsive road safety awareness interventions in light of the upgrading of the Millennium Highway and the West Coast Road. This consultancy is expected to target the role of masculine norms and driving behavior, the safety of women, men, persons with disabilities, youth, and school children in the project sites and nationally. All of this will be done with the aim of averting human capital losses and empower road users.
Shannon LeBon, a sub-consultant with Fred's Engineering, addressed the history of road accidents and road infrastructure in St. Lucia, emphasizing the importance of conducting the survey and the ongoing stakeholder engagement efforts.
This campaign, socially inclusive and gender responsive, is aimed at doing just that, helping to save those lives. When we look at the figures closely, you see it's a lot of young drivers, particularly young male drivers, who are falling victim to a lot of the fatal collisions and the carnage that we see on the street. So we had to partner with the various agencies, and we've begun the consultations this week. We have met with the St. Lucia Fire Service, we have met with the Ministry of Education, we would have since met with the Royal St. Lucia Police Forces Traffic Department, Ministry of Health later today.
Paolo Perego, team leader at Fred's Engineering and traffic psychologist, shared his initial observations on the current road conditions in St. Lucia.
I'm seeing a big lack of road safety culture in every single moment that I'm walking around the roads. So we have a long path to do here, and I hope with the Fred Engineering team to do a great job.
Anne Haywood George, Community Service Specialist at Fred's Engineering, discussed the goals and objectives of the survey.
We want to get a better understanding of the road safety situation in St. Lucia so that we can collaboratively develop and implement a road safety campaign that is evidence-based and representative of stakeholders' feedback and inputs. We want to build relationships with key road safety stakeholders like the media so that we can get project buy-in from the public, private, and civil society stakeholders. We also want to foster and encourage knowledge transfer and institutional strengthening through capacity building and the sharing of ideas.
With an increasing number of people on the roads each day, the aim is to lower fatalities and injuries through education, vigilance, and a united effort from all road users. This initiative comes as St. Lucia has recorded 23 road fatalities and approximately 1,100 road accidents to date in 2024. For Choice News Now, I am Dyrod Liner.